Oh yeah, there you go. That's a nice one. That one's got some fight to it. What do you got? Hey y'all, do we have a show for you tonight? I had a viewer comment, have you ever fished out of a rowboat? And I was like, well, no, I haven't. We went up to northern Michigan, and as chance would have it, there was a rowboat. I'm telling you what, guys, it was a windy day. It was a first for me. Make sure you watch all the way through to the end. We enjoyed the experience. I hope you guys enjoy the video. It is a... Oh, are you kidding me? Came all the way out here. Well, guess what? You're going on a hook. Came all the way out here, dropped at the bottom, and caught a bluegill. I had it 2 cranks off the bottom, just in case there was weeds. Okay. While we're getting used to... That's the bottom. While we're getting used to the boat, I'm not going to put the other line out yet. Oh. And then I hit the bottom right there, and I went 1, 2, and got a little bluegill. Pretty sure we were looking for crappie. Got another one.
Better be bigger. Better be a perch.
It's a bigger gill.
It is bigger.
We're not trying to keep any more gills, are we?
I was going to say, I don't think we need to, do we?
Mm-mm.
I got plenty for a fry.
All right, y'all. There's the second one. Not keeping it. Let's let it go. We are at 18 feet. We're on a shelf.
Shouldn't be bad.
No. Yeah, depending on where they are in the water column.
Right.
Crappie feed up, so if you drop all the way to the bottom and they can't see your bait, they will not hit your bait. They might be 22 feet, they might be 23 feet.
You start at the bottom and start counting your cranks until you get a hit, right?
Mm-hmm. I just always drop it to the bottom, bring it up a crank. If it's going to be weedy like this, wait about a minute, bring it up another crank, and then that's when those 2 bluegills hit. So, right. And then I hold this because you will not see, your pole tip will not bend over. It's not like a regular fishing.
That's how I fish.
You'll feel a little, and they're on.
We can go to that.
Hold on, there we go.
Got a bite. Another bluegill.
Something hit it for a second.
A 10-inch crappie. 12-inch crappie.
Got him. Another bluegill.
Not that we want them,
but... Not here for you.
The other side is, well, I'd have to see your phone.
Mm-hmm.
If we go to the far side. There you go. Now do them both. That's good. Do them both. I'm hoping it'll be a little calmer. Trees are going to block the wind. See, that's the way I would kayak. To get out of the wind, I'd go toward that to block it. And sometimes to get there, what are you looking at? Straight across. That's what you'd keep your eye on to get across that way. See what I mean?
But we got to kind of find out. I'm wondering is, you know, if we're dropping down to the bottom and they're suspended at 16 feet.
Yeah, right.
You got to slowly work your way up and hope.
Right.
I can't get my pole
Had to pick
down.
up.
I had nowhere.
Wasn't it calm just a minute ago?
It was.
I must be in a weed. That or it's a hog.
No, that's pulling. You got to fish. Hold on, hold on.
Oh my gosh. It was a good one, huh?
Okay, that one, you sure we could keep that one, Don?
We don't need any more, do we?
Well, I mean, you don't, yeah, you're right, we don't need any.
Yeah, right down between them weeds. Whoa, there's one over.
There you go. There's another one. Nice.
I wanted to put him on a big hook. Tell him out there.
Do what? What'd you say?
You said nice. I said maybe if I wanted to put him on a big hook and chuck him out there.
better gill. We're keeping them. Nice, good catch.
Yeah, that's a dandy. I think I'll fry him up.
All right.
Hold on, give me 1 second, I'll get it big.
Hammered him.
Yeah.
Alright. There we go. 2 nice gills in a row.
2 nice ones, boy.
Huh?
We were after gills.
Yeah, we've already caught about 4 that we would have been flaying.
Yeah,
Look at the
4
thickness
nice
of that one. Okay, we're not trying to keep you, okay? But I want you to keep me. No, we're not trying to keep you. He must have a pike or something that's bullying him, and he's trying to get away from him. He's like, just put me in the boat. I got a better chance in your boat. Oh, what do you got? Oh, nice catch, Heather. Look at that.
Very nice.
I think I need to go to 1 hook so that you, yeah.
No. Stay on 2. You're fine. I don't know. You're seriously making me reconsider cooking some of these.
If you want to. You can always freeze them. And,
You want me to put a worm on that one, or you just want to go with 2?
we'll just stick
Alright.
with 1.
Okay. Guys, look at that. Another beautiful one. Oh, I caught one as I was rolling it up. Oh, not bad.
Yeah.
You want me to put another, that's the only bad part about a empty hook, is it's going to catch every weed now. If a worm's on there, at least it'll slide off of it.
Then I need a hook cover.
A hook cover? They're called worms.
Hey, hog.
Oh, very nice.
Man, they're fighters, aren't
Ah,
they?
look at that.
What a good fight.
Great catch, Heather. Guys, if we were keeping fish, that one would definitely be going in the cooler. Should we be taking some pictures with you here? Do you want some? You sure? Look at that, y'all. Nice. I got a fish. I'm washing my hands, got my rod set up. Oh, quick release. That's funny. Heather just got a fish, y'all. Nice fish. What do you got there? Another, oh, look at the size of that gill. I don't know, guys. I might have to change my mind about whether we're going to start keeping fish or not. Good gracious.
They had a bunch more.
Beautiful.
They wanted it, huh?
Nice. Okay, let's get rid of you. Look at, oh my goodness, guys. Just one after the next, and she's so quiet about it. She won't tell you.
We caught our supper just here today.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Hey, let's go get those ones that are in the freezer. Throw those back.
Yeah. Heck with them.
That's why, hey guys, earlier, look at this fish, beautiful. Earlier I'm catching fish for a fish fry, and I put them in the cooler, and Heather looks at me and goes, kind of small, aren't they? True story. And that's why she can say that. Now I was trying to figure out how I'm going to do that with all this on the oar.
Try to lift it out. Can you? No, that ain't worth a hoot.
No.
Try to skim the surface once you get out, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I just got to
If
get it
you
off
can
of
get
it
out.
right now. I'm going to do this right here.
Stay out.
Because if you look at my body motion, my hands are going exactly the same. I can't
know your
control it.
mind
Yeah.
motion. Man, it's all screwed up.
I'm just saying, I can't control the oars. That one oar.
Maybe I should have the cam here.
See where he repaired this one?
Yep.
Yeah, that's not the whole oar.
I know what you're saying. What you have to do is, once you know what it's doing, try to get the feel.
Right.
A little more on this one. Stay away from that. You're doing good. Both oars. Get across these weeds here. Try not to catch them too much. There you go. Got past them.
Oh, I'm learning the good way. First time in a rowboat. I wouldn't want it any other way.
First time, believe it or not. Hard on this one.
Hey, I have a YouTube channel.
He's got one right there.
It's going to be on my video.
I should have the video right here.
I'm going to put out a how to not use a rowboat. Like if I didn't have to go in a specific direction, I'm doing pretty good.
Oh, it'd be no problem. Yeah, go around circles, figure eights.
Yeah. Like if we were just out here for a nice
that's hilarious.
ride.
Pretty sure it's Mike I brought. We were trying to go to the channel. We sit there and did round in circles. He couldn't get down the channel. Which one? I don't know what to do. Which one?
That's why it's a little easier on a kayak, because you kind of direct yourself.
Oh, you can just
you can see where you're going.
give two. You can drag this oar. I've drug an oar just to turn me, then you know.
Well, guys,
you got to go more on this one.
I had it on my bucket list to smash my fingers in between two oars. I just took care of that. Yeah, that does work. Awesome.
Okay, well,
yeah, that ain't worth it. They're too close. Because I started and I go, oh, that's a knuckle buster.
Are you doing the whole stroke thing? Like the yell,
left.
rowing to...
More on this one. We're going left and right, back, forth. Yeah.
One more left. Okay,
We're getting there, just not in a straight line.
Okay.
Get us turned.
Ow. Those are my fingers.
Another bucket.
Or what's left of them.
I really wanted a compound fracture. That's on my bucket.
Okay.
Actually, you may have to swim from here, Heather. Drop the anchor, that's it.
You may get in faster. Please stop turning that one for the love of everything. No, it's like you think I want to go. I don't. Like, can we throw this one overboard?
The wind now is pushing. It's coming literally.
I literally would rather get out and actually swim and push you guys in without the oars. Just get in the back and act like I'm the motor.
Frustrating, ain't it?
You like our big black outboard? We think he's about a 15. We think he's about a 15 horsepower.
Yeah.
You guys want to go rowboating? No.
Yeah.
May God have mercy on your soul for even asking us.
You should have that on the whole pointed toward. I should have been filming. You could have just had some fun with it, seriously.
Good Lord.
Or are we getting a little frustrated?
Or, yeah. Well, we could do that, or don't ever say that word around me.
It is a lot easier fishing from the dock, isn't it, Jim?
I don't know. That wasn't that bad. The only thing I didn't like was the fact that we couldn't we couldn't stay still.
To be over there in the morning and anchored messing around, boy, what bluegills you could catch there.
Yeah.
See how easy that was?
Yeah, that was awesome. You guys want to go back out again after dinner? My first time on a rowboat. Not bad.
Look at the sweat on his head.
That's my perception. Hey, Don, real-time reaction. How'd I do?
Oh, we did some great figure eights. Some great figure eights.
Do it again. Hold on, I needed that real-time reaction.
Land. Yeah, you're supposed to kiss shore. That's Heather's reaction.
Okay, well, we'll see you guys.
Bad.
That wasn't bad. We caught some fish. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Our little rowboat adventure, because it was an adventure. Remember, get outdoors, have fun, go fishing, and we'll see you on the next cast.